There's a moment every audio fan knows well, that split second when a new pair of earphones makes you stop, raise your eyebrows, and say, okay, this is different. Not because of hype, not because of specs on a box, but because the sound hits you in a way that feels intentional, controlled, confident, like the tuning wasn't just engineered, but curated. That's the feeling the Simgot SuperMix 5 aims to deliver. And today, we're taking a closer look at why this earphone is getting so much attention. The SuperMix 5 is built around a single idea, that great sound shouldn't force you to choose sides. You shouldn't have to pick between bass or clarity, fun or accuracy, detail or warmth. Instead, this earphone tries to bring all of these qualities together into one balanced, cohesive presentation, something that appeals to both audiophiles and casual listeners without overwhelming either group. This isn't about throwing technical jargon around, it's about understanding what makes listening enjoyable and tuning an IEM to match that experience. Let's begin with the sound, because that's the heart of this entire product. When you first listen to the SuperMix 5, the low end is what sets the tone. The bass doesn't bully the mix, but it sets a foundation that feels strong and stable. It has real presence, a physical weight you can feel, yet it stays tight and controlled. There's impact when the music calls for it, rumble when the track goes deep, and texture that lets you hear the character of the bass rather than just a simple thump. It energizes modern genres and adds weight to cinematic audio without clouding anything else. Move upward into the mid-range and you'll notice how clean and natural everything feels. Vocals sit forward enough to be engaging, but not so close that they overpower the mix. Instruments in this range, guitars, pianos, synths, strings, sound well-defined, with a smoothness that avoids harsh edges. This is the part of the tuning that makes the SuperMix 5 easy to listen to for long periods. There's no fatigue, no glare, and no sense of the mids being swallowed by bass or stretched thin by high frequencies. It's a mature, confident mid-range presentation that supports all kinds of music, whether it's a single vocalist or a complex orchestral arrangement. As the frequencies rise into the treble, the SuperMix 5 holds its balance remarkably well. Highs are crisp and airy, providing detail and sparkle without becoming sharp. You'll hear the shimmer of cymbals, the breath behind vocal notes, the tiny details that give recordings a sense of space. But the key here is refinement. Many earphones boost the treble for excitement, only to create harshness that becomes tiring. The SuperMix 5 avoids that pitfall, delivering clarity without harshness and brightness without brittleness. It keeps the highs engaging while maintaining a smooth overall character. This leads naturally into the soundstage, which is wider and more open than you might expect from an earphone in this category. Music doesn't just play inside your head, it presents itself around you with a sense of dimension. Instruments have room to breathe, and the separation between layers is strong enough to make complex mixes feel organized rather than crowded. The imaging, the ability to pinpoint where sounds are coming from, is precise, making these earphones great not only for music but for gaming and movies. You get an immersive soundscape with enough depth to feel convincing and enough width to feel spacious. Now that we've covered the sound, let's shift to something equally important, the physical experience. The SuperMix 5 is designed with everyday usability in mind. The shells have a shape that follows the contours of the ear, ensuring a secure fit without discomfort. Whether you're on a commute, working at your desk, or relaxing at home, these earphones stay in place and feel comfortable even after long listening sessions. The build quality strikes a balance between durability and style, combining a premium-looking exterior with a lightweight feel that doesn't create pressure points. The cable is another strong point. It's detachable, which is essential for longevity, and it uses connectors that allow you to easily upgrade or swap cables if you ever want to change up your setup. The cable itself is flexible, resistant to tangling, and built to reduce microphonics, that annoying noise you sometimes get when a cable rubs against your clothing. Altogether, it's a setup designed to last and designed to adapt to how you listen. So who is the SuperMix 5 actually for? The beauty of this model is that it doesn't lock itself into a narrow target audience. If you're an audiophile who loves dissecting music, you'll appreciate the layering, the detail retrieval, and the balance. If you're a casual listener who just wants your music to sound rich and satisfying, the SuperMix 5 delivers that without needing special equipment. If you're a gamer, the wide soundscape and clear imaging give you an edge in competitive environments and a more immersive experience in story-driven games. If you're someone who simply wants something that sounds good across every genre, this earphone is versatile enough to handle anything you throw at it. Another thing that makes a SuperMix 5 appealing is how forgiving it is. Not everyone uses high-end amplifiers or lossless music. Many people simply plug into a phone or laptop, and the earphones need to perform well without special treatment. The SuperMix 5 is tuned to sound balanced and enjoyable even from basic devices. But it also scales nicely if you do upgrade your audio chain. You get reliability and flexibility without needing to obsess over gear. What really sets the SuperMix 5 apart, though, is how coherent it sounds. Multi-driver earphones can sometimes feel disjointed, with each driver emphasizing different parts of the spectrum in a way that doesn't quite blend. But here, everything feels unified. Bass transitions smoothly into mids, mids transition naturally into highs, and no part of the sound calls attention to itself at the expense of another. That sense of cohesion is what makes an earphone feel premium. Not just the components, but the way they come together. So let's talk about expectations. The SuperMix 5 isn't trying to reinvent the wheel. It's trying to refine it. It doesn't chase trends or rely on dramatic spikes in the tuning to grab your attention. Instead, it aims to deliver a balanced, full-bodied sound that feels satisfying from the first listen and continues to hold up session after session. It's tuned for enjoyment, not just analysis. It's crafted for real-world listening, not just charts and wafts. Pulling all of this together, the Simgot SuperMix 5 stands out because it understands what most listeners actually want. An earphone that sounds consistently good across genres, feels comfortable to wear, offers a sense of immersion, and remains enjoyable hour after hour. It gives you depth when the music calls for it, clarity when the moment requires it, and energy when the track demands it. It's not about extremes, it's about balance. And balance is something many products overlook. In a market crowded with options, the SuperMix 5 earns its place by delivering a sound that feels complete. It has authority without aggression, detail without harshness, warmth without muddiness, and sparkle without sharpness. It's the kind of earphone you can recommend to almost anyone because it meets listeners where they are and brings their music to life without overcomplicating things. In the end, the Simgot SuperMix 5 is more than just another piece of audio gear. It's a reminder of how enjoyable music can be when everything is tuned with intention. It's a companion for everyday listening, a tool for deeper audio exploration, and for many people, it may very well become the earphone they reach for day after day. If you're looking for a balanced, engaging, and confidently tuned IEM that delivers a premium experience without unnecessary complexity, the SuperMix 5 is absolutely worth your attention. If you love great audio as much as I do, join the community by subscribing. We explore gear, sound, and everything in between, and you're invited. Like and share this video to anyone who needs a pair of IEMs.